Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make categories for roles in Discord. We will start by opening our Discord app. After that, click on the server and select Server Settings. Now go to the Roles section and click on one of the available roles. Here you're going to turn on the switch, display role members separately from online members. Click Save Changes. After that, select another role and enable this switch again. Apply the changes. When you do this, you will move the role to the first position so that it is the default role. Click Save Changes. This way you can create your role category. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.